A Hillsdale man has requested a grand jury to determine whether or not criminal charges should be brought against Hillsdale County Undersheriff Carl Albright, and one judge has recused himself from that proceeding. This stems from Albright's admitted forgery of County Treasurer Stephanie Kaiser's signature on IRS forms last summer. Sheriff Tim Parker did not announce that anything had occurred until after 2 weeks suspension of Albright had been completed, at which time Albright admitted to the forgery. Now, local resident Joseph Hindy has requested a citizens grand jury to investigate Albright's actions. According to the Hillsdale Daily News, Hindy also requested in a separate motion that Judge Michael Smith disqualifies himself as a presiding judge, not out to bias towards Smith, but to prevent the appearance of any conflicts of interest. Smith has agreed and granted that request, saying he cannot be judge, prosecutor, and jury. The duty now falls to Judges Michelle Blanchi and Sarah Lindsay to decide whether or not they'll preside over the case or recuse themselves as well. Hindy says he brought the case to court because he believes Hillsdale County's public officials mishandled the situation and failed the public. Judge Smith agreed with that assertion, saying it should have gone to a special investigator or special prosecutor from the very beginning. The judge also told Hindy that Albright at a hearing yesterday afternoon that he requested that the Attorney General Dana Nessel take on that role, but he hasn't heard back from her office yet. The forgery was discovered because paperwork was not something that the IRS needed to keep, and it was sent back to Kaiser's office, which is how she learned of it. Albright claims that he attempted to contact Kaiser but found her unavailable and attempted to copy her signature to prevent the county from losing money on a purchase of new vehicles. Albright is currently running for Hillsdale County Sheriff, as Parker has announced he will not seek re-election.